Welcome to Hey Renee Sews, the premiere of my sewing channel. You got here right in the beginning. You get to see it all. I will be reviewing patterns, fabric, and techniques. I'm not an expert, but come along on my journey. We can learn something together. I have been an artist since the beginning of time. I don't think there was a time I didn't do art, which led me somehow into quilting. And I love to quilt. Quilts are amazing. But I also thought, well, maybe now that I know how to quilt a 1/4 inch seam or do a swirl, applique, all these things, maybe I can even make my own clothes. So that's when I started. I thought, this dress I like, that's on Net-a-Porter, is $500. And I don't have $500. But I do have $50 to get myself some really nice fabric and maybe make a dress that looks like that. And that was part of the inspiration for me to sew. Make creative, interesting looking clothes that I really like. In my channel, I will be spotlighting designers, fabric pattern designers, and clothes pattern designers. And
take that again?
Artists. No, it's a goof. You know, sometimes you goof. I will be showing you how I make something, reviewing patterns, showing you where you can buy patterns that will match the clothes that you see at high-end stores, where you can buy fabrics. I live in the suburbs of Chicago, and I find the area to be absolutely beautiful and amazing. So I will be also showing you little bits and pieces of the towns that I live in, or around where I live in. No, I shouldn't do that. Can I do that? That would be good. So is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If you like sewing and fashion, subscribe and take the sewing journey with me. And I was just going to say, thank you for visiting. Thank you for visiting, and see me next week when I talk about my favorite indie pattern makers.
Look at this dog who's been here the whole time.
She's my sewing buddy. Right, Cookie?
Oh.
She's a good one.